So you've written an amazing blog post, but you realize you have no idea about SEO and you want to optimize this blog post for SEO. You want more traffic, you want more customers, you want more sales. So how do you go optimizing your blog post or your social post for SEO? This is where the Toolbox can help you. So if you're a member of the Toolbox, follow along with me. If not, don't worry, we have you covered. Go to the bottom of this video, click the link, and you can start for free. Right, we have a fantastic new feature under the text magic section, and it's called Optimize for SEO. Now, all you need to do is copy in your social post or your blog post. Look at that. There we have the blog title and the blog content. It's well written, but it's not optimized to get customers. So just click on the submit button. And here it's processing. And it's complete. Look at this. We have guidance and suggestions how to improve the keyword optimization, readability, title and headings, and the meta description. But not only that, it has actually written it for us, utilizing all the tips that it gave you. So not only can you learn about SEO and doing this yourself, but it's actually done it for you. The Toolbox is absolutely amazing. Give it a go, throw in your material and see what comes out.